On his 30th birthday journey to Dwarka, Anant Ambani paused to save 250 chickens headed for slaughter, an extraordinary act of compassion. By speaking to the truck owner and paying the full price, he ensured their safety and care at Vantara, his visionary animal rescue and rehabilitation center. Spanning 3,000 acres, Vantara reflects Anant's lifelong commitment to animal welfare and sets a global benchmark for ethical conservation. His actions remind us that true leadership lies in empathy and that every life, no matter how small, deserves dignity.